Students, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a zip file. So first of all, we want to come over to File Explorer, which is our little folder. Open up your folders, and I'm going to navigate over to my MEC 201 class, and right now I have several files in here. I've already done this once, so I'm going to actually show you how to delete a file or folder. So I'm going to take this here, and I did a right click, and I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to actually take this one and delete it too. I should have cleaned that up before I started. Anyway, so once you do a right click, you get all these different items, properties to see how the size of a file. If you want to copy the path of it, you can do it there. We understand the word path now. Okay, so let's say I am going to send an email to someone and I wanted to send all four of these files at once. Instead of sending them individually, one by one, I could go ahead and select them and zip them into a folder. It's kind of like when you go to the store and you're going to buy a six-pack of pop. You could buy six individual bottles of pop, or you can buy a six-pack of pop, and it's just more convenient to have them in a six-pack. Okay, so I have them here, and so very easily. Oh, wait a minute. Before I do that, I see I have a typo here. I'm going to actually come in here and I did a right click and I clicked on rename and I'm going to fix that. Okay, now that's better. And so again, select, do right click, and I'm going to compress to a zip file. And now I have a file that has a little zipper in it, and it picked up the name of one of the files. So at this point, I can actually rename it like I did earlier. And so let's just take this part out and um, I'm just gonna make a few changes here. Okay, so now in this folder right here, I have all four of those files. So if I click on it, there you can see that they're all in there. And I see another mistake on here. I better put a letter C on here. Curriculum, there we go. Now, if you should get a file from somebody that's zipped, and over here you can see where it says compressed zip file, zip folder. Then all you have to do to unzip it is click on it and do right click, extract all, and it will give you a path. You can change this, browse over to your File Explorer, and there's a button here called extract. Click that, and now we have all four of those files have been taken out of the zip folder. Okay, and now you can kind of see, I can't really magnify this here, but this folder has nothing on it, and this folder has a zip in it. So if I wanted to send, this is a smaller folder, smaller size-wise. So if I was going to send the folder, if I just click this, I might not pick up all the files in it. But if I send this one by email, it would have all the folders in it. So anyway, it's a handy tool to have.